How to check the status of your Santander Bank's credit card application. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to check the status of your Santander Bank's credit card application. In order to check the status of your Santander Bank credit card, you just have to follow the steps. So first thing, you have to go ahead and apply for it, and after applying for it you should be able to get the notification or a response within a minute or a couple of these. So if you receive a following information or if you receive an approval, then next what you have to do is you just have to wait patiently until 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks you should be able to get your credit card on your mail. And likewise, if you wish to check the status of your Santander credit cards application, you just have to go and log in into your account and then go to the card section, and from there you could go and incorporate or check the status of your Santander Bank's credit card application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.